Now to a story you'll see only here on Fox 5. Vybz Kartel speaking out for the first time since being released from prison.
Lisa Evers has spent years following his fight for freedom and spoke with the dancehall megastar exclusively.
Health-wise, I'm working on my health right now, but the feeling of just being free is an amazing feeling.
Adidja Palmer, known around the world as Jamaican superstar Vybz Kartel, walked out of prison a free man on July 31st, 2024, after being cleared of a murder conviction and any retrial. The truth is, he almost did not make it. His personal physician, Dr. Karen Phillips, made sworn statements to the court in May that his heart function was so low, at 37% of normal, that he could have a heart attack at any time, even die in his sleep. Also, his Graves' disease showed no sign of remission. I spoke with his son, Adidja Palmer, known as Little Vybz, in June.
It's not looking great. And the condition, I could say it's definitely getting worse.
The troubling health conditions actually began more than 7 years ago. In a 2021 Jailhouse exclusive interview, I asked Kartel about the rumors that had been circulating that he was sick.
Yeah, because I was sick for a few years, so definitely I'm recovering physically, but mentally I've always been in a good place because I know I'm innocent and I know I'm coming out.
I learned that this was his mindset. Deal with, but don't dwell on the negative. Stay focused on the positive in the present.
How are you feeling physically?
I could be better, but I'm super upbeat. I literally bought a bike today, the exercise bike, and a treadmill, literally today, and set it up. So I've hit the ground running.
When he was behind bars, Dr. Karen Phillips was only allowed to see him 4 times a year. Now she can monitor him much more closely.
I have appointments with my doctor on Monday, so now I can have regular meetings with her, so she can keep track of me in real time.
That's got to be a relief on your mind, knowing that you're going to have access to your doctor and to whatever medical care and exercise routines. You can try all these other things to get strong again.
Yes, it's amazing, And she even mentioned that she's going to set up my diet, like put me on a special diet and so on, and she can monitor me like literally every day, which is a far cry from when you're in prison, when she needs permission and she could only see me like once every 3 months. So now it's infinitely better.
And I think also, too, that now that you're in much better conditions, you're with family, you're with your fiance, it's got to just feel so much better.
It feels amazing. Like 150 of my family members were here yesterday, just celebrating, cooking, having a fun time, praying, and just giving thanks for life and for, the best is yet to come.
Since being released, Kartel has already dropped a new EP, which is starting to trend up the charts. He's also receiving invitations from all over the world to perform. But before anything, he needs to regain his health. In the newsroom, I'm Lisa Evers, Fox 5 News.